Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Washington Boulevard, and there you can see the installation of a camera to be a part of the Jamaica Eye program. Now, Jamaica Eye is a very successful program done by the police or the Ministry of National Security. It integrates cameras like this, which are high-end cameras that can take pictures of people in the car, can take pictures of the license plate, can take high-end pictures that can be used to identify vehicles and people. It's a very successful program, and the government is actually expanding it. So here you can see the installation of more cameras. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. In an age where technology plays an increasingly vital role in public safety, Jamaica Eye stands out as one of Jamaica's most ambitious security initiatives. Launched in 2018 by the Ministry of National Security, Jamaica Eye is a nationwide closed-circuit television surveillance network designed to assist the JCF and other security agencies in fighting crime, monitoring traffic, and ensuring public safety. The system combines government-owned cameras with feeds from private citizens and businesses, creating a collaborative approach to national security. The main goal of Jamaica Eye is to reduce crime, improve traffic enforcement, and enhance public safety through real-time video monitoring and evidence gathering. The system captures video footage in critical areas such as busy intersections, commercial districts, and public transportation hubs. Law enforcement agencies use this footage to investigate criminal activities and prosecute offenders, track and recover stolen vehicles, enforce road safety and penalize reckless driving, monitor public spaces for emergencies and suspicious activities. By integrating both public and private surveillance resources, Jamaica Eye seeks to create a networked security system that benefits communities across the island. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So where they say they put the cameras at busy intersections, that's definitely that intersection we're looking at. That's the intersection of Washington Boulevard and Duhaney Park. And it's also the last stoplight you get to before heading on to Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. This is actually Mandela Highway that we're on now. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.
Jamaica